my friend. Let's talk.
Hello, my friend, how are you?
Hello. I don't have feelings, but I'm here and ready to chat with you. How about you? How are you doing today?
I would like to tell you something about a dream I had.
Absolutely. I'd love to hear about your dream. Tell me what happened in it.
So I dreamed about two rabbits running down the rabbit hole.
That's quite an interesting dream. Rabbits and rabbit holes can be rich in symbolism, often relating to curiosity and discovery, much like Alice's descent into Wonderland in Lewis Carroll's famous tale. Did anything else happen in the dream? Or did any particular feelings or thoughts stand out to you while you were dreaming about these rabbits?
Yes, my friend ran down with them and tried to catch them.
It sounds like there was a sense of adventure, or perhaps a chase in your dream. Dreams about chasing something, like your friend running after the rabbits, can sometimes reflect a pursuit of goals or desires in waking life. Or it might symbolize some aspect of your friendship. Perhaps you feel your friend is going after something elusive, or you're both on a shared journey of sorts. How did you feel about your friend running after the rabbits? Were you worried, excited, or maybe something else?
I was very excited when this happens. I try to see where he's going.
Excitement in dreams often reflects your feelings about something happening in your life, or it might be a manifestation of your subconscious looking forward to something. Your eagerness to see where your friend was going with the rabbits suggests you might be curious or expectant about where a certain aspect of your life is heading, or perhaps you're excited about a new venture or journey, either literally or metaphorically. It's also possible that this dream reflects your own desire to explore the unknown or dive into something new and adventurous. Do you see any parallels between this dream and your waking life? Is there something you're looking forward to or curious about?